Hello everybody, I'm Casey.
And I am Krish.
Welcome to Kids Problem Solving!
Yay!
Today we're going to be learning why the sea is salty.
Casey and Krish are very excited today. They are in a beach.
Yay! Beach!
Without delay, they jumped into the water.
Ew! Water tastes so weird.
Why did you taste it? Yes, seawater is very salty.
After playing in the water, they both come out and start making sandcastle.
Didi, why is ocean water so salty?
Okay, let me tell you. Due to the heat from the sun, ocean water evaporates. The evaporated water floats up and forms the clouds. The wind blows the clouds inland. And the clouds bring rain to the mountains. The atmosphere has a lot of dust and pollution. So while raining, raindrops mix with the pollution in the air. The raindrops mix with the CO2 or carbon dioxide and become slightly acidic. And then it falls down. The acidic rain falls on the rocks of the mountains and it breaks the rocks. This is called erosion. The salt from the rocks mixes with the water. And the salt from the rocks goes to the river stream. The river stream carries the salt to the sea and dumps it into the ocean.
Oh, so rainwater and river makes the ocean salty?
Yes, but there is one more reason to it. There are many cracks on the seafloor. The seafloor is also known as the seabed. Many times, the cracks are deep enough to reach the hot magma or the melted rocks. Ocean water seeps into the cracks in the seafloor. And water heats up and starts the chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is when two things mix and make a new thing. In this, the chemical reaction makes the salt, and the heated water is released through the cracks carrying the salt with it. Over a period of time, lots of salt mixes with the water. And the heat from the sunlight evaporates the water and leaves the salt behind. All of this salt makes the ocean water salty.
Thank you, sis. Now I know why ocean is salty.
You're welcome, and our castle is also ready.
It's late now. Casey and Krish get ready to go home.
It's time for us to go home. Bye!
Bye! Thanks for watching.